City Southerners, the combustible penalty for failing to declare dutiable goods has increased to 5,000. Passengers bringing in dutiable goods in excess of the exempted quantities in Hong Kong should enter the Red Channel and declare to the customs officers. Thank you.
Inuwi na ang Ichiran sa Pilipinas. Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video,
Sawadee ka.
punta tayo sa Thailand. So we're here. First order of business is Ichiran and actually tapos na kaming kumain. Ayan, so welcome to Hong Kong. So we're waiting for our Uber. Nag-take out din kami guys ng Ichiran ramen for pasalubong and sa bahay. Because matagal tayong hindi makakapag Hong Kong. See you tomorrow. Yay.
Guys, help me choose this one or with this one. Which one? This is 5,000 Hong Kong dollars and this is 6,200 Hong Kong dollars. See, I can fit a lot here. How hard is and here cards lang nalang. So cute. It's cute though. The other color is this one or iba. Oh, the thing in the. Oh my god. It's sorry.
Okay. So, pretty. Merry Christmas! We got the goods, guys. Yes. Done deal. It's a face. Hi guys! Today is December 25, 1:38 p.m. and we're having lunch here sa Causeway sa He She Eats. He She Eats, yan. Wala pa yung order ko pero andito na yung order nila. Pangit ang view. Yes! Yay! Merry Christmas! There's my order. May boba. Parang may boba. Let's eat. Ay, ba to? Guys, so we're currently walking. We're going back to the hotel because medyo may dala na kaming paper bags. Yeah, iwan namin yung paper bags namin sa hotel. Ayan guys, we're here sa Lee Gardens area. Ayan, galing tayo kanina sa Chanel, Cartier. Merry Christmas everyone! 2:20 na pala. As you can see, malamig dito sa Hong Kong right now. I think nasa around 16 degrees Celsius. Pero yung feeling is bumababa siya hanggang 10 degrees Celsius. So, malamig talaga. Lahat ng tao dito naka-coat or naka-jacket. And as you can see, nakadalawang patong tayo. Malamig. go, go! Pag guys may hangin, malamig siya. Pero kapag wala naman, parang parang Baguio feeling. Pero mas malamig. Yung mga tao dito guys, naka-puffer jacket, naka-coat, talagang balot na balot din sila. Pakita ko sa inyo yung mga dinadaanan natin. We're near the hotel and actually, ito na yun. Yan. Merry Christmas, everyone! Today is December 25. Feet check. Hat is from, I don't know, Lazada. Inner sweater is from Fila. Furry jacket is from Uniqlo. Skirt is from Zara. And then I have a parang stocking na pang winter. May fleece siya sa loob. So, medyo warm siya. Yung stocking na manipis lang. So, yan, para makapag-skirt ako. Yun lang, guys. And shoes is from Nike. Fit check. Ang ganda na lighting dito. Ayan, this is a fit. Bye! Takot ano pa ako talaga. Bigger or not? Ano lang wala yung kadami? Hindi, okay na siya.
Ay, mali.
Guys, ang lamig. Where are we going? Hey guys. So, we just finished our dinner and we're walking. Baka maiwan ko kayo. It's cold! Inginig na yung gawin ko. It's Christmas. TikTok ba yan? Panoorin nyo na lang guys sa TikTok nila. BTS. Yaw, anong flash mob? Ang agenda for today is maglakad. It's 8:45.
Oh.
Oh,
It's Saturday.
good morning guys. Today is December 26. It's 10:30 a.m. This is the outfit because it's so cold, you guys. It's 13 degrees Celsius and it feels like 8 degrees Celsius here. Lalo na kapag may wind. I'm walking towards 7-Eleven lang because I broke my nail yesterday. Kasi na bangga ako ng sales lady. Samahan niyo ako. I'm vlogging. 7-Eleven. guys, we're here. Isang kanto lang naman. Naka-bandage na yun. Delikado siya since kasama na yung laman ng aking nail. So kapag na-break pa siya, sobrang sakit. Tumudugo na siya, guys. Broke you first. Meron na siyang kalbo. Hi guys! We're at the tram. Hey guys! So we're currently here at the Peak. And we're here sa Bake House. So they are famous for their pastries, egg tart. As in, you should try it, you guys. It's very good. So magkakape lang kami dito and it's already 12:27 p.m. Yun guys. So I ordered whole milk with salted caramel syrup. Just so may lasa siya. Bakehouse Cubano. And the soup of the day. Ang lamig. It's so cold. Parang may yellow. Naninigas na yung mga kamay ko. So, we're lining up again for the Peak Tram. So, guys, kapag pumunta kayo sa the Peak Tram, you should pick the combo para mas mura. And we also pick the Peak Tram na may return ticket and also SkyTerrace. So, yeah. Para mas mura, guys. Mama Mary. Grabe lamig, guys. We bought something from New York. This is a Christmas gift to me. For myself. Iiyak na naman yung credit card ko. Asa na? So, right now, we're walking towards Ichiran. Again. Counter. Yan, perfect. Oh, ang ganda. So guys, may mga set sila. Pero, tonkatsu. Yum. guys, we're done eating at Ichiran and around 5 p.m. 5 p.m. and we're walking towards the Avenue of the Stars dun sa may bay. Yeah. And by the way, kanina merong free photo booth dun sa Ichiran and nagpicture tayo. Yan guys yung mga tinitingnan ko. K11. Ayan, ang ganda ng building na yon. Picture tayo. Good morning guys! Outfit of the day. Cozy-cozy tayo today. Kasi wala na tayong jacket na iba. Hi vloggy! Hi vlog! Are you a vlogger? Yan. Fit of the day is from online shop. So for today's video, pupunta tayo ng Macau! Ang lamig! So, here is the bus terminal going to Macau. Lobat yata. Hi guys! So, got our ticket and we're on the way to the bus going to the Macau. Bus ang going to Macau.
Tayo sa Macau.
Welcome to Macau. Hi guys! So we're here sa outside of the terminal. Rome-inspired na tourist spot. Medyo maaraw. Wala akong shade. Naiwan ko yung shade ko kasi guys, hindi man maaraw talaga. Ang ganda oh. It's pretty. Hi guys! So we're here sa parang mga food stall. Order lang kaming fries. Because we're hungry na. And later on, we're going to have lunch. Because we're hungry na. Cheese flavor. And sour cream. Dami namang food stall dito guys. Burgers, card tarts, fries. First time nagpa-picture si Liam. Ganda guys. May artista yata dito guys. I think, ano siya, Chinese. Chinese lang to. Ito. Kilala niyo. Ayan. May meet and greet sila dito kanina. Guys, so this is ano pala, Fisherman's Wharf. Ayan. So para siyang Italy-inspired. Italy ba or Rome? Yeah, Rome-inspired na destination here in Macau. Family picture tayo.
Yan ba?
Pulot lang yan sa atin.
Daming fresh seafood dito, guys. Ayan, o. Lobster. Uy! Ang laki nito! Pagkatapos lang namin kumain. Somewhere. Ayan. So, off to our next destination. G. Guys, ang daming tao sa Senado Square. It's overwhelming. Dito. Mas siksikan pa dito kanina, as in. Hindi na kami tumuloy. Bango. Pagod ah. Puro hiking, lakad. So, asa kita ang ating mga kasukasuhan. Siyempre nakatingin tayo. Hindi ko alam na Pinay tayo.
Ano ba yan, ma'am?
Hi, hi.
Natikman niyo na? Yung mga jerky nila. Di ba?
Jerky?
Pilipino tayo.
Kuya.
Pinoy, walang hiya-hiya. Yan. Ate, masarap yan. Ay, maliit lang. Sir, ay mo lang. Ate.
Daming Pinoy. The people, the world is here. Dito lahat ng tao sa ruins, guys. Hi guys, so we're here sa the ruins. Ang daming tao. Parang lahat ng population ng mundo andito. Grabe. Anyways, after dito mag-Venetian Londoner na tayo. So hopefully mas maluwag doon. Yes. Nag-mic na ako, baka hindi nyo na ako naririnig eh.
Palasundo natin. Yes, tara.
Hey guys, so we're currently here sa Londoner. And as you can see, meron dito ang London clock. Hindi nyo makita, ayan. Ayan. So, there. Parang ano siya, replica ng London clock. But yeah, we're going to take a picture lang here and then ikot tayo sa Venetian, Parisian. Ano ba nandito? Sa Venice, ayan. So, parang may mga dito, parang replica. Double decker bus. Eiffel Tower. Hi guys. So, we're here sa Venice Canal. At 6 p.m. Lalabas na rin tayo ng Macau. It's already 5:40 p.m. Daming tao. Diyan, their challenge. Pila ba yun? It's getting colder. Tagal nung kanina. Kaya magdi-dinner na kami. Raspberry Virgin Mojito, guys. This is not alcoholic. Sardo. Good morning, guys. Today is the last full day here in Hong Kong. So, yeah, so this is the fit. Today is, what time is it? It's already 11:43 a.m. Yes, tanghali na since medyo nag-enjoy kami. Matulog, magpahinga. Ayun. So, pupunta tayo Mongkok and then doon na rin tayo magla-lunch, I think. So, yeah. Today's weather update. It's currently 18 degrees Celsius. And so, medyo kaya na yan ng light jacket. Mostly sunny, so nagdala ako ng shades ko. Kasi nung mga nakaraang araw, mga, ang tawag dyan, 13 degrees Celsius, 14 degrees Celsius. So, malamig talaga. So, right now, nasa 18 degrees Celsius na siya. So, carry na to. Para lang tong Baguio. Light jacket na lang tayo. Yeah. It's currently almost 3 p.m. na, but andito tayo ngayon sa Mongkok, nag-shopping. Sorry guys, nakamaso kasi daming tao and ang daming nag-iose sa kalsada. Better safe than ever. Hindi tayo nagbugi sa paghahanap ng Chinese New Year jacket pero we're going to Longpung. Titingin lang kami guys ng pabango. Sige to. Dami din tao dito. Mga bagay-bagay. This is heaven, you guys. Asama na may sa babango. Hey. Guys, sa budol tayo na pabango. We got 2 perfumes in total. Yeah. Oh my God, sobrang mura pala talaga dito. Medyo madami lang tao, pero it's manageable. Got the goods, you guys. Eh, di ko to binibili sa Philippines kasi ang mahal. Kaya, nandito na tayo, guys. We grab the chance to buy it. Hehe. Ala! Nasaan na? Tama ba? We got the goods, you guys. Ta-da-na-nan! Price reveal. Sabi nga daw, buy 2, you get 10%. Sabi ko, wag na.
Buy 2.
Buy 2 more.
Tayo.
2 more. 2 more. Pwede na tayo mag-haul dito. Ah, reseller kayo. Mga pang winter yan, guys. Mga shoes. Ayan. Fila. Nike. Mga ginamit na agad. Yeah. Ayan, pang winter yan, guys. Para rest na kita may dala. Hindi natin na-hunting yung Chinese New Year jacket dito sa China, pero it's good. It's good na rin kasi it's around 20,000 din, guys. Sobrang mahal pala nun. Na-redirect sa ibang bagay. Yung 20,000.
Sobrang perfume.
So, uwi na daw pala kami hotel. Since ang dami na namin dala. Uwi na kami and then doon na lang kami mag-snack. Doon na lang kami kakain, guys. cocktail. Strawberry flavor. Let's eat.
Wait na.
Ayan, kumukulo na siya. Look at that. Kumukulo na siya. Uy, steamy. Kunti lang. Naubos na nila eh.
Order ulit.
Stop pa siya. Let's go. And actually guys, super near lang siya sa hotel namin. So, ano lang, mga 3 minutes, 5 minutes walking distance, ganun. Sobrang bilis lang. Ayan na siya guys, nakikita nyo na siya. Ayan. Ayan na siya guys, yung may monitor. Siyempre, bawal ko ipakita yung mga tao. So, mukha ka na naman makikita ninyo. Let's go! Dito sila. Guys, wala pa yung pabango ng hindi maamoy. Abango naman siya. Ayaw lang ni mommy. So, we're not going to get it. Sa iyo? Ito na lang sa iyo. Shala, may pang-remove. Ano pa? Blush. Ayun, may blush ka na eh. What's the difference? This is cream. Okay naman yung pink eh. Pink na gamit ko. Gagastusan tayo ah. Budol ulit. Guys, we got the goods. Medyo my wallet is crying, but at least we're happy. Right? This is the last gastos of the year. Kasi, ano na ba? 28 na, right? 28 na ba? Yeah, it's 28, you guys. Happy New Year! May tumatawag. Anyways, guys, we're going home na rin. Kasi we need to pack. We need to pack our things for tomorrow since last day na namin to. And tomorrow, we're going to leave the hotel at around 9 a.m. So, yeah. Kasi medyo malayo tayo sa airport. Around 40 minutes yata. Mga ganun, mga 30 to 40. Tama ba? I think mga 20 to 30 minutes. Ang layo niya. So, we're gonna be early tomorrow. Anyways, yun lang guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye! Stay today. Flight na namin. Checking out. Sino pa yung pinirma? Hi guys, welcome back to the Philippines. It's currently 5:20 p.m. and kanina pa actually kami nag-land but we're waiting for our luggages. And yeah, after that, we're leaving and actually Happy New Year because this is gonna be my last vlog na siguro for this year. Actually, sana ma-upload to ng January. Hopefully, guys, hindi ka naiinip sa akin. But yeah. Yeah. See you in 2026. Ayun, guys. I wish you all a Happy New Year. And yeah. I hope to see you later. Bye!